Hi everyone, welcome to OCI Fundamentals for Beginners series. So before start learning the fundamentals, we need to create an account in OCI for doing labs. In this session, we will see the process of creating an account in OCI. I already have an account in OCI, but will show you the steps to create one for you. The prerequisites needed to create an OCI account is an email ID and a credit card. Don't worry about the credit card because OCI provides you some always free services and 1 month of $300 credit. So if we use the lab carefully, your card will not be charged. So for creating a free tier account in the browser, take the page oracle.com/cloud/free. Here you can see a start for free button for creating the free tier account. Before doing that, just scroll down and see what all services are free and what all are in the trial section. Okay, the always free services, some services are listed here, and you can see that here they have mentioned a US dollars 300 credit also. This means when you sign up for this Oracle free tier account, you will get a credit of 300 US dollars. This credit you can use for consuming the services that are not included in the free services list. And also here a filter section is given. In that we can select the always free section and see all the services that comes under the free tier section, and also if we select the trial section, we can see what are the services that comes under the trial section. Here they have mentioned about the $300, right? That I have already told you. $300 credit that comes along with the free tier account. You can use this credit for using any non-free services within the 30 days period after signing up the account. So once the 30 days trial period or the credit is expired, you can upgrade the account to paid anytime. So let's scroll up and click the start for free button for signing up the account. Account creation is fairly a straightforward process. Just select the country or territory you belong and then give your name and email address. So here I belong to Oman now, so I am selecting Oman from the list and then giving my first name and last name, and then you have to give the email address. After that, check the CAPTCHA box and complete the CAPTCHA. After that, click the verify my email button. So once you do this, Oracle will send you a verification email. Just verify by clicking the link inside the mail. See, Oracle has sent a mail in your inbox. Okay, so just open that mail and there must be a link. Yeah, just click this verify email link inside your mail and continue the registration process. Just wait for a few seconds. These fields will autofill. Then we have to give a password here, depends upon the complexity they have mentioned here. So let me create a password and enter here first. After entering the password twice, next is the customer type. For the time being, you can select the individual option from here. Select this radio button, and here the next thing is you have to give the a account name here. Actually, this is the tenancy name and will be used when you used it to log into the OCI account. So just remember the name, whatever name you give here, just remember this. So here I am giving OCI Oman. I am giving a name like this. Let me note it down. If this name has taken by someone else, then it will not be available. Anyway, let's check this. After that, we have to select the home region. This is different from the country or territory that we selected in the previous step. The geographic region that you pick is your home region. It is where your account will be created. So let's select a region that is nearest to me. Let me check which one is nearest and is available. From Middle East, yeah, UAE East. I am selecting the UAE East in my case. You can select whatever that is nearest to you. Okay, and after this, just select this checkbox. Then click continue button. Then you have to enter the address information and then your phone number, and after that you have to enter the payment method here. So let me complete these steps and after that we will continue. I have entered the address information. Next we have to enter the payment verification method. So let me enter my debit card details and after that we will continue. So I have entered the payment details also. Let's give it some time for the verification. It is showing us authentication failed because now I have tried with my debit card. So let me try with my credit card number. Maybe that is the reason for this authentication failed message. Let me try giving my credit card. See here, there is a message showing the number of requests has been exceeded. Reload the page or retry the operation. Okay, we can try reloading the page. So I think it will start from once again from the password entering option. Okay, let's enter the password and I will skip these things fast. After that it is asking once again to enter the address information and payment information, phone number and payment information. So let me enter these things also once again and after that we will continue. So next is the payment verification method. This time I will try by giving my credit card details. Let's see whether it will work or not. Let me enter the details and after that we will continue. I have finished entering the payment details. Let's see whether it will work or not. Yeah, I think it is working now because for verification purposes it will charge around $1. That is 0.93 euros. So we will get an OTP in the associated mobile number and we have to enter that OTP here for the verification purpose. Okay, so the verification is over now. Finally scroll down and select the checkbox in the agreement section and after that click the start my free trial button. Here again I am getting an error like it looks like you already have an account using different email address. Oracle allows one promotion per person. Okay, this error I am getting is because using the same credit card I have already created another account. That is why the reason this error message I am getting. Okay, so if you have not created any account before using the same credit card, then you will not be getting this message. Okay. So in that case your account will be created and you will get an email within half an hour. So in this case let me sign in using my previously created account and we can continue with that. So for signing into the OCI account, just close these browsers and you can take a new page, or else you can use the link they have sent you in the mail itself. Okay, so for signing into the OCI account you can just take a browser and enter Oracle OCI login and you can use the first link itself. Here you have to first enter the account name. This is a tenancy name that I told you to remember at the time of creating the account. Okay, here I am entering my tenancy name, the tenancy of the account that I have previously created, and click the next button. After that we have to enter the username and password. So first always it will ask for the tenancy name. Okay, now we have to enter the username, that is the email address we have given at the time of creating the account, and the password. So let me enter my username and password and after that click the sign in button. So first when you sign in by giving the username and password, the OCI will ask you to set up the multi-factor authentication by downloading the Authenticator app from the Play Store or from the App Store. Okay, so once you set up that, from the second time when you sign in, you will get a notification in the Authenticator app in your mobile and you have to allow from there for completing the sign-in process. So let me allow that from my mobile and after that it will log in. Yeah, now the authentication process is allowed, it's complete, and hopefully we can sign into the OCI account. Let's wait for a few seconds. Yeah, so this is the home page or the dashboard of the Oracle Cloud account. So we have successfully created an account and logged into the OCI account now. So let's continue in the next section.